What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today's Worm Wednesday is the 48th feeding of this Vermihut Plus worm tower system. It's pretty cool. Got a couple explorers today, just kind of floating around. Had a few on the lid that I went ahead and knocked back in. I'm going to go ahead and take you right now to Saturday so you can see how the worms looked with the banana and the pumpkin. So today's Saturday the 6th, and I figured I wanted to check in on the worms, see how they're making out, especially with that banana. I'm seeing, some castings right here in the feeding area, which is good. There's a bunch of worms right there. Very happy to see that. And look at that, jackpot, baby. So they're right in the area and section where they need to be. Very happy to see that. There's still citrus. I was a little concerned the last feeding. Wow. Oh, that's with the pumpkin. Look at that. Okay. I bothered these guys enough. Very, very happy to see how the worms are progressing, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. So it was pretty cool seeing how the worms finally made it into the banana, and they were definitely going after the pumpkin. So today I'm going to go ahead and start to uncover and see what's left, if anything. Oh, here's the and yeah, basically just the skins left for the banana, the peel. And then this banana peel is just about gone. You see some of this black part of the peel, and that's it. So very pleased. Like I said, I was a little shocked that it didn't have that many worms after the first basically week, but 2 weeks in and it's basically all taken care of. Here's another little piece of the banana peel. A few worms inside. Oh, and I still got my toilet paper rolls here. They're definitely having a ball. Definitely having a ball in there. So I have a couple more, and then the pumpkin was out here. Here's that pumpkin stem. And then basically just this piece of skin is the only piece of that pumpkin left. Another toilet paper roll. And here's the last one. Okay. So let me move this off to the lid. And then I can give this a nice good flipping and fluffing. Let's pop this back into the center there. I still have a couple pieces of these citrus peels, so I'll throw them in there, and then the pulp from the juicing. There we go. So that's a pretty healthy feeding for them. And I got so much stuff on my hands now. To the feeding area, I like to add ground up eggshell. The worms can use that as grit. They don't have teeth. They have the crop and the gizzard. So as they eat the pieces of shell and wiggle around, that helps them to digest the food scraps. And then I like to add a little bit of worm chow to the top. I just have expired flour, cornmeal, and I place a little bit of eggshell grit in that too. This goes ahead and gives the worms something to eat right now, and then as the food scraps continue to break down, then they can go after that. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along, checking out the video. This worm bin has come a long way. We're closing in on the year mark, and this was only started with the 350 worms. So I'm trying to get up the courage to count them, so then I can show you after 1 year's time what the population is now of this red wiggler worm tower. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.